I graduated from Penn State many years ago, and my career included working 36 years in industrial electronics for a steel company in the service end of the company. I then went into farming up here in Northeast Pennsylvania, and after a year or so of that, I was thinking maybe I ought to get back into industry. The fact that I was in service a lot of my career and getting involved here in Boise with manufacturing, it's very rewarding to see pieces go out and actually being used in the world. It's driven by design. We design what the client needs, we make it. Everyone's different, so we're always changing something, redesigning, re-engineering. So it's a lot of satisfaction in what we do as far as our final product.
I started in plastics in my mid to late 20s and kind of skipped through a whole genre of different jobs, from mining to aggregates, coal. I had construction jobs, seasonal jobs, laid off in the winter, that type of thing. And what I like most about the manufacturing thing is it gives you a daily goal to try to better yourself and develop the skills you already have and build up on your resume. I think manufacturing goes a long way as keeping the local economy healthy, and there's a lot to learn. I think the general conception of manufacturing is like dark, dismal, dead-end job, and that's nothing could be further from the truth.
In this field of manufacturing, I feel that there's a lot of opportunity because there's different avenues that you can go in a business sense. For me, being a CNC operator, I'm learning that function. Because of my background, I've learned other functions in the past. And no matter if you have a widget that you're making or a service that you provide, it's a skill. So you could actually be proficient in your job and learn something new every day, and it doesn't get boring. That's what I like about it.
I really never gave it much thought about what it involves as far as getting involved in manufacturing. But as an older person, once I got involved in it, I realized how rewarding it is. As far as the physical part of it, it isn't a real physical job. It's a lot of it, you can fit your projection of a mental ability to think and design and use that into the manufacturing process. The bottom line, manufacturing is a very good field to get in, especially for older people, because it isn't as taxing as maybe like a labor job or servicing somewhere, or where you're in sales, where you're stressed out. Manufacturing is rewarding because of the final outcome of the product. I love my career in manufacturing. It's awesome.